It's Saturday morning, it's about 6 a.m. and it's a very, very special day. I get to see my old college roommate. I haven't seen him since 2009. He lives over in Newcastle, England. We're headed up to New York City now. Jam-packed day, seriously. I'm doing a spin class with Austin and his wife, Monica. These spin classes, they're taking over New York City. Huge trend up there. They're like nightclubs while you ride on a bike. That class is at 10:30. Then we're headed to some museum. I think it's actually called New Museum. I don't know what it is or what kind of art is in it, but it's gonna be awesome. Back in New York City, you can feel the buzz right away as soon as you get off the train. There are a lot of women marchers. It's great to see. Met a couple who was so perfect together. People like Ryan Reynolds and Blake Lively, Kate Hudson and Matthew McConaughey in How to Lose a Guy in 10 Days, Jennifer Lopez and Ben never mind, not that one. I'm about to introduce you to a couple that is basically the description of the perfect couple. Maybe. Here they come. What's up, guys?
Let's go fly, man.
Hi, let's
Hello.
go.
How you feeling, man?
I feel great. Very more productive.
How you feeling? How you feeling,
Sean,
Monica?
was that productive? Were you so productive?
Yeah, that was really hard, man. I'm not gonna lie.
What's it called, us?
I don't know, babe.
You're supposed to be a dictionary.
Nah.
Will you eat the bruise off my banana?
That's cute, guys.
Bagel time.
That's all he wanted to do. There, it's recording.
It's recording now? Where do I look? Oh, hi Ross.
Hello. Hello.
This is a very important vlog. I feel like you have to have like really long arms if you do a vlog, right? Like, cause look at, you can like cut off my face.
How do you look?
I don't know. I've looked better.
Look at this handsome man. What's up, man?
Hello, dude.
How you doing?
What's up, man?
Hi.
Just one, please.
Sure. One of those?
Yeah.
That is a seriously accessorized camera.
Austin, describe what you're seeing.
I don't know, man. First time in a museum. It's pretty weird.
Christmas lights.
I didn't see it. That's actually really cool. Oh, just put it in the focus.
Why are you scared, man? It's not
What if that
even...
glass gives out? She's dead.
And goes, that looks good, go take pictures. And then be like, oh no, over there.
Dre, what's your New Year's resolution?
My New Year's resolution is to budget more and drink less wine. Compete more for the
Mark, what's it?
like for you, like
I want to wear more sweaters this year.
Courtney?
mine is to not press the snooze button.
Ooh, that's a good one.
Monica?
I don't do New Year's resolutions.
Why not?
I don't believe in them.
Oh, okay. Mine's to get a 2-pack. Monica, what do you love most in life?
Money, 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 money.
Make it rain!
It's not in focus. And you have a bad angle. Stop, that makes me look fat. You have to go from that angle. Yeah. See, now you're better at vlogging.
When you're in New York City, you just can't not take in all of the sights here. This place is incredible. We're down here in Union Square right now. Figured I'd stop here, get a nice little time lapse. But we're about to head back to Philadelphia now. It's a great Saturday. We went to spin class in the morning. Then we had a little trip to the new museum down in the Lower East Side. Dinner with Phil, Lisa, Austin, and Monica. And then we went out from there, and it's a great Saturday. But yeah, it's time to go home.